welcome back to my channel. I'm Abimbola Ruthie, and I know I haven't been consistent, but I'm going to be consistent from now on. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to highlight and contour your face, so keep watching. I have two concealers with me here. Concealers, by the way, I use for highlighting. This is a medium shade concealer and this is a lighter shade concealer. Medium shade concealer is used when you just want your under eye not to look dull, but the makeup product has to get there. But a lighter shade concealer is used when your under eyes to be really bright. You want to brighten them up, probably for the look you're going for. What I do is I use a darker shade for the outer corner, the medium, while I'll use the lighter shade for the inner corner. It's actually a little product, but because I'm using a brush, it's going to cover a lot more than if I just use that applicator. So just one dip is enough. You don't need to use 2 or 3 dips, like you don't need that. Then I'm going to take the darker one for the outer corner. Now you see what I was telling you with the amount of product. That's all. Using this medium shade concealer and I'm putting it on the bridge of my nose like this. Then putting on my forehead, my chin. But for the top part of my lip, I'm going to use a lighter concealer. You have to just let it stay for like a minute, so I'm just going to let that. And I'm going to be using 2 applicators to blend this. I'm going to be using the concealer brush and the same beauty sponge I supply my foundation, but I'm going to use the lid side of it. I'm going to use my foundation brush too. Like you can start blending with this part and the one on your forehead, one on your chin and one on your forehead. Most times the blender, the reason I switched to brush is that the blender will absorb more than I want, so I don't want it to absorb that much. Good. Right now for my under eye, because it's already drying out, I'm going to start blending. I'm going to repeat the same on the other part, but I'm going to blend the outer corner first. When you go out, take a picture in your phone in the sun and look out for places that seem darker and brighter. The places that seem lighter are the places that you should highlight. What I mean by lighter here is where light reflects and you can actually see the place look really bright. But the places that seem darker, those places you should contour. So next up, I'm going to show you how to contour. And this same palette I told you about has contour sides to it, and because this is a cream, it's a cream concealer, I want to spray it to activate it. What I'm just going to do is I'm just going to take this brush and I'm going to mix this two together. I'm going to apply that on my cheekbones. I'm just doing the same on both sides. You just use your ear to know how to place your contour. So place it a little bit on your forehead here, like this part, and the same thing here. Stretch it to your jawline here. I think the best applicator to actually blend is a beauty sponge. I've seen most people use brushes. If you want to try out brushes, fine, you can do what works for you. So I'm just going to take this portion and blow it off like this. So you're trying to widen up the place. Time to set the contour. I'm going to use that same brush. I'm going to take this shade, just setting it like this. There you go. place it before you move because you don't want that product to move. I want you guys to see what the makeup looks like with little to no lighting, moderate lighting, and harsh lighting. Thanks for watching.